Grabovoi concentration exercises, 24th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On this day of the month, your concentration exercise should focus on creating out of the human form some other object. For instance, a videotape, a pen, a flower, or a plant. You should find out which element of the human form can be used to create a videotape, for example. In other words, how the human form should be interpreted in order to create a particular object, such as a videotape out of it. Exercise number 2. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 5, 1, 8, 4, 3, 2, 5. 9-digit sequence. 1, 8, 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Exercise number 3. You saw the reality you were able to see. You came to the reality that contains you. Look at all of the days from the 1st to the 24th, and you will see that your love is endless. Look at the world the way you look at things with love. Look at the feeling, at how you create it. Look at the feeling as something being eternally created, and you will come to love as eternity. You come to love always, and you remain with it forever. Your God, the Creator, has created you as a loving being. You are God's creation, and you feel love. Love is life, and life is love. Manifest your love wherever you are. Manifest your love in the places that you designate and that you predict. Love does not have to express itself in words. Love may not be expressed in feelings, but your deeds, wherever you are engaged in creating, this is love.